Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your OnlyFans account from your computer online. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your OnlyFans account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and then search bar, click over there and type in onlyfans.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for OnlyFans login like this and enter. And then the first result of the Google there is the onlyfans.com. Click over there and you can see both of these pages are same. We are directly on the login page of OnlyFans. After selecting this website, let's accept all the cookies. And how to log into your OnlyFans account from over here, enter your email ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your OnlyFans account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forget password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you want to log into your OnlyFans account with your Twitter, Google, or your Windows Hello login, click on these links depending upon which one you want to log into, and you can see these kinds of tabs will open where you can see you can log in with Google, Twitter's. After you log into your Twitter or Google or your Windows Hello login, you will be logged into your OnlyFans account from over here. And this is how you log into your OnlyFans account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.